One of the best sunrise view and sea of clouds in the Philippines is Mount Pulag. Hi, this is Lil at the third highest mountain of the Philippines, also called the Playground of the Gods. Day before sa hike, kaon sa taog-taho with different flavors. Then, proceed sa orientation for the do's and don'ts during the hike. Mao ni among gitulugan, and 1:30 a.m. amo wake up call. Outfit check! 3 a.m., start ang hike with 6 guides. 2 guides for each groups of fast, middle, and slow pacers. Naay 2 stops or rest area along the way. But since nag-apas mi sa sunrise, wala namin ang hunong. And around 6 a.m., we decided na sa Peak 3 mi mag-sunrise viewing. And while waiting, diri na namo gikaon among breakfast. And of course, bread lang para light lang sa tiyan. And indeed, this is the best sunrise you could have witnessed sa bayan pa og sea of clouds. Trust me, bugnaw jud kaayo diri. So bring your emergency blanket kay effective jud siya. Follow for part 2. Bye!